I made the dried persimmons last year for my mom, but she can't eat them. We did a video chat last night. Mom told me not to keep the persimmons anymore. You eat it. I ate the last 5 persimmons online in front of my mom. She had planned to visit me from China last year, but she can't come because of the pandemic. Time flies fast. Autumn is coming again. It's now time to harvest the persimmons again. Ron and I decided to keep making dried persimmons, whether Mom can come here or not. When I was a young girl, she made dried persimmons for her whole family every year. I had remembered all the details that she told me. She had to do cleaning and peeling. That was very tough work. And put all the persimmons under the sun to dry. The persimmons look like soldiers lined up. After waiting for 2 weeks, my siblings and I will have dried persimmons to eat. That was a beautiful memory in our childhood. Mom also made a delicious dessert for us. I call this recipe as Chinese-style persimmon donut. This is an easy recipe. We only eat this once or twice a year. She is a great cook. She also makes dried persimmons chicken soup. The soup can cure our cough. The smells and the taste bring back the feeling of my past happy time. I made this film to remember the story about missing the people and the love. I hope the coronavirus will be gone soon, then everybody can breathe freely. People can visit their family and friends without anxiety. I'm John Kelsey. Thank you for watching.